It is Wednesday morning, I think.
And it's sunny.
It's sunny again. Been absolutely blessed with the weather while we've been here. And we've just set off from our accommodation. Luckily we're in walking distance of Aira, so we're going to go and check that out today. We had a beautiful night's sleep last night, very much deserved, and I think it's about 10:30 now, so not entirely sure how long this walk is. We've got
not as long as yesterday, hopefully. Definitely
not as long as yesterday. We've got a flask, got some snacks, got a couple of sandwiches, so if it's a bit longer than we think, we've got some food to keep us going. And yeah, it's another beautiful day.
Sheep.
Ooh, sheep.
Stop. I thought you'd stop.
I think it's probably wise just to sort of stick on the lower ground today.
At one point, I was like, it was when we were like sort of near the top, and it was getting quite bad, and I genuinely could barely move the wind.
Yeah.
We were like trying to carry on. In my head I was thinking, well, not really, but I definitely fucking don't want to go down the way we just come, so it's not far now.
Yeah, it looks cool on the tops, but it's a different story when you're up there. The wind and the wind, and then the wind picking up the snow, turning the snow into like a sandblast into your face. And well, I think for today, stick to the low ground and just appreciate the views. Going up to our local pub, which is about a 10-minute walk, the Royal Hotel. Popped in for something to eat and a few drinks on Monday night. Yeah, Monday night. Quite nice actually. A little bit of walking on the road, we finally arrived to a public footpath that signals the start of our Air Force walk. Oh, looks like we've had a bit of a tree falling down. Hopefully we'll be able to see, hopefully we'll still be able to see quite a lot of it. I mean, you can already see a bit of it right now, it looks pretty cool, so. Managing alright there?
Did it?
As you can see, we're at Aira Force now. When we came to it, there was there was two ways we could go. We took the first way, but they did say that there might be a fallen tree this way. So if that does occur, we can just head back up this path, cross over the bridge and go down the other way. It says they both lead to Aira Force. But this is looking pretty good so far. But yeah, if we actually turn back and go the other way, it just makes the walk a little bit longer, which is alright for me anyway. tree. We've got a little bridge, looks like a little viewing platform, so there's a few people on, so we'll wait for them to get across and we'll have a little look-see. That before setting off, but I try and get as close as I can to the falls, but that's as close as you can, and it's still not a great view. The bridge up the top was a better view, but yeah, there's some cool little paths here. There's a veer off every which way, so we'll take one of them up and we'll carry on our journey. It's a cracking tree we've heard this came down. I suppose it hasn't broke the bridge. Think about this tree. For me, it's 2 eyes and a little trunk. It's an elephant tree. This is the girthiest tree in the country. I thought that was a fun fact that you should know. Look at the girth on that.
Should I go hook that one?
I don't know whether you get your arms around it.
Coffee time!
As you can see, I'm just stopped for a cup of coffee. Swizzle it around, show them where it is. There's a place for a cup of coffee, isn't there? Just coming to the end of Aira Force now. It was nice, but it was a shame we couldn't see the waterfall properly with the tree being down, but we knew that we could before we went into it. Had a nice cup of coffee. Just heading to the car park now. Toilets here, which someone will be very pleased about. And then I don't really know what we're going to do with the rest of our day. The weather's awesome. We're coming up to Ullswater Lake, so might have a little wander around there and see what we can find, really. What do you call these? Like a jetty?
Pier?
Pier type thing where they have the cruises. We can't get past because the gate's shut. Is it shut? Yeah, it's definitely shut. But super cool place to just chill out and take in the view, really. And look at it. We're heading back through Aira Force. Probably a little bit easier to come this way as opposed to walking the roadway, and it's a bit nicer view. I'm going to head up to one of the car parks and try and... Jess has found something interesting. A bit jammed.
Very jammed. Oh my god, no.
We're on a bit of a magical mystery tour at the minute. We're hoping it's going to lead us back to somewhere we didn't recognise, as you can see. But I have faith it'll lead us back. You know, everywhere's got to go somewhere, hasn't it? Back on the road now. That route just kept us off the road for a little bit because we don't really like walking on the road, but we have to for the rest of this bit. Probably another only 5 minutes or so up to the little village. We'll catch you there.
I don't think they think that you're one of them.
I'm one of you. Where are we?
As always, he's found the free parking.
There?
Yeah, that's good. And
We've just pulled up in where are we?
Pooley Bridge.
Pooley Bridge, yeah. Apparently supposed to be
That's a pretty house.
It's a pretty house actually. It's supposed to be a really good place to watch the sunset. There's a few nice coffee places and
I'll fall over on flat ground. Don't mind me.
a few nice little shops, so it should be good. Yeah, get a photo from it. Just stopped to this is our goal. All the weather's nice. We're just going to watch the sunset above the below the mountains. See from behind us on the time lapse, the sunset. Pretty special to watch. I definitely recommend it if you're over this way and you've got a clear day like us. Finishing the day off with a well-deserved beer, I think. It's pretty cool watching the sunset, but we're glad to be inside. This pub has the fire on too, which is ideal. Back home eventually. We made a couple of wrong turns on the way home, but now it's time to chill out, have some food.
Saw some nice views though on the way home.
We did see some
and the moon.
We saw the moon. Yeah, we did see some cool views on the way home. But yeah, had to chill out, and yeah, luckily we were being able to stay an extra night since the accommodation's empty on Thursday night / Friday. So we got an extra night, which is cool. And yeah, hopefully we'll get up to some more adventures.